Cyclone Nisarga to now make landfall south of Alibag between 1 pm and 4 pm, says IMD. The Indian Meteorological Department said in its 7 am bulletin that it is expected to make landfall very close to Alibag, a resort town in Maharashtra's Raigad district between 12 pm and 3 pm. The Indian Meteorological Department on Wednesday revised its forecast and said Cyclone Nisarga is now likely to make landfall between 1 pm and 4 pm just south of Alibag, a resort town in Maharashtra's Raigad district. Cyclone Nisarga is now 130 km south-southwest of Alibag, 175 km south-southwest of Mumbai and 400 km south-southwest of Surat, the Weather Bureau said. It had earlier said that Cyclone Nisarga is expected to make landfall very close to Alibag between 12 pm and 3 pm. The severe cyclonic storm Nisarga has intensified with the speed of 100 to 110 kilometers, gusting to 120 kilometers per hour, officials added. It will make landfall as a severe cyclonic storm with a wind speed of about 110 kilometers per hour, gusting to 120 kilometers per hour. Even though landfall site is south of Alibag, extensive damage can be expected in Raigad, Mumbai, Thane and neighboring areas, said Sunita Devi, head National Weather Forecasting Center. The diameter of the eye of the storm has decreased in the past hours and is been about 65 kilometers at present, indicating an intensification of the weather system. The wind speed too has increased from 85 to 95 kilometers per hour to 90 to 100 kilometers per hour, gusting to 110 kilometers per hour. As conditions indicate further intensification, wind condition will increase up to 100 to 110, gusting to 120 km per hour. A higher sea surface temperature and low vertical wind shear favored the intensification of severe cyclonic circulation, said IMD scientists earlier. IMD has issued a red alert for at least 7 coastal districts of Maharashtra, while several districts along Gujarat coast are also expecting heavy rainfall. Efforts to evacuate residents of these coastal districts were underway all of the Tuesday, even as Prime Minister office assured all help to the state officials. Goa is also expected to have heavy rainfall on 3rd June 2020 with wind speed of 45 to 55 km per hour, gusting up to 60 km per hour on 3rd June 2020, according to IMD Goa daily weather report issued on 2nd June 2020. Mumbai, which is on the path of the cyclone, will likely receive very heavy rainfall, upwards of 164 mm. The city is already reeling under a high caseload of coronavirus disease cases, and possibility of inundation of low-lying areas has raised concern over the strain on healthcare infrastructure and municipal resources. On June 2nd, Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services bulletin indicated a very rough sea along the Konkan coast from 5:30 pm on Tuesday to Wednesday evening. The wave height could be as high as 2.5 to 4 meters in Thane, 2.5 to 4.5 meters in Greater Mumbai, 3 to 6.5 meters in Ratnagiri, and 3 to 5.5 meters in Sindhudurg. The last severe cyclonic storm to hit close to Mumbai was in 1961. This storm is severe, but the wind speed of only 100 to 110 km per hour. Important thing is to take all precautions possible, which state government are trying. Inundation is possible, so evacuation of vulnerable people is important, M. Mohapatra, IMD's Director General, said on Tuesday. It is not common for tropical cyclones to hit Maharashtra coast. Usually during monsoon onset, the cyclones that develop move towards Oman and Yemen coast. The track of the cyclone is completely dependent on wind direction and pressure, while warm ocean surfaces give energy and intensify to the cyclone. Sunita Devi, the head of the National Weather Forecasting Center, said. The sea surface's temperature in parts of Arabian Sea is 31 to 32 degrees Celsius compared to 28 degrees Celsius expected during this season. Nisarga is the 65th named cyclone in the North Indian Ocean, and its name proposed by Bangladesh means nature in Bengali. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and never miss any update.